Residential market analysis and highest and best use. Book-ending quiz. Question 22. Number 22. Some of the more prominent economic principles and theories are blank. A. Concentric. B. Related to and overlap each other. C. Standalone. Or D. Distinct and discrete. The answer is B. Related to and overlap each other. And that's an easier one. Number 23. This is an easier one. Another name for assessed value is blank value. A. Insurance. B. Investment. C. Market. Or D. Ad valorem. The answer is D. Ad valorem. Number 24. This is a hard one. Another name for mean is blank. A. Median. B. Mode. C. Range. Or D. Average. The answer is D. Average. Number 25. This is an easier one. A change in population density in a market would be considered a noun, blank, force, affecting values. A. Social. B. Economic. C. Governmental. Or D. Census. The answer is A. Social. Number 26. Which statement is not true regarding market identification? A. Market identification is best accomplished by breaking it into segments. B. The market should include all properties in a geographic area. C. Defining the market segment is the first step in the market analysis process. D. The market may be subdivided more than once in order to arrive at an appropriate segmentation. This is a hard question. The answer is B. The market should include all properties in a geographic area. Number 27. The relationship between the supply and the demand for a site's particular highest and best use is a part of the analysis of blank. This is an easier one. A. Legally permissible. B. Physically possible. C. Maximally productive. Or D. Financial feasibility. The answer is D. Financial feasibility. Number 28. All blank appraisal assignments require an opinion of highest and best use. A. Investment value. B. Market value. C. Assessed value. Or D. Credible value. Actually, it was just credible, not value. Just D. Credible. This is a hard one. The answer is B, market value. Number 29. Which highest and best use criterion would require an appraiser to consider whether the site is in a flood zone? A, financial feasibility. B, physically possible. C, governmentally approved. Or D, maximally productive. This is an easier one. The answer is B, physically possible. Number 30. This is an easier one. The length of time that a given structure will prove beneficial and contribute to the overall value of the property is its blank life. A, actual. B, chronological. C, physical. Or D, economic. The answer is D, economic. Number 31. This is a hard one. In a buyer's market, an appraiser is most likely to find blank. A, declining property values. B, increasing marketing times. C, a large number of properties available. Or D, balance. The answer is C, a large number of properties available. Number 32. This is a hard one. The market is blank in a balanced situation. A, usually. B, occasionally. C, never truly. Or D, always. The answer is C, never truly. Number 33. This is an easier one. An opinion of value can be directly related to the blank of the rights of ownership for the individual property. A, presence. B, absence. C, presence or absence. Or D, volume. The answer is C, presence or absence. Number 34. The owner of a unit in a cooperative owns blank. This is an easier question. A, stock in the corporation. B, undivided rights to common areas. C, a three-dimensional cube. Or D, tangible assets. The answer is A, stock in the corporation.